Welcome to Pakistan Bike Tourist Channel. This is my exclusive video in Ziarat in winters, just to see snowfall in Ziarat. Ziarat Valley is the picnic point for thousands of people from all over Pakistan. But this picnic point and hill station is for summers only. Very few people come to Ziarat during winters. Some snowfall lovers visit this place to see snowfalls, and they return to their homes overnight. Here's a view of snowfall in Ziarat in the beginning of 2025. Ziarat Valley is 130 kilometers from Quetta city towards east. This is the most famous hill station in Balochistan, visited and celebrated by all the people of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah spent last days of his life in this district. The house where he lived is called Ziarat Residency. This place is unique for its pine trees forest spread across a vast area. These evergreen trees are the landmarks of the district. Due to its high altitude, the district gets more snowfalls and more rain than all the other places in Balochistan and in the region. This year's snowfalls means rich water springs, fountains, and water resources in the next summer. In the past many years, the snowfall and rainfall has decreased as a result of the global warming and environmental changes. Snowfalls used to be enormous, over 2 meters in most of the places in Ziarat, which used to block the access of Ziarat district to other cities. Nowadays, we can only see a few centimeters of snowfall during the whole winter season. You can travel to Ziarat via Quetta, Loralai, and Duki cities. There are some hotels and guest houses where you can stay overnight. However, it is more fun to visit with your friends and camp in the wild. Cook your own food, make barbecue, sing, and have fun. Burning fires in the cold nights of Ziarat during camping is more fun. Ziarat is a hill station. If you want to visit with your friends and vehicles, be sure that not every weak vehicle can climb on roads of Ziarat. You need stronger vehicles. For motorcycles, it is not a problem. If you are visiting with your families and children, be sure to stay in hotels or guest houses overnight, because the nights are cold here even in the peak of summers. During the summers, you can visit Karwari Baba, Chakar Tangi, Dozak Tangi, Chowder Village, and Ziarat City. You may not find deep water pools for swimming, as the water remains very cold even in summers. There is the main highway that connects Ziarat with Quetta on the west and Sinjawi in the east. From Sinjawi, you can go to Loralai and Duki cities. Tourists from Karachi can come to Quetta first, and then to travel to Ziarat. Tourists from Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa can come to Loralai, and then travel to Ziarat. There is an unpaved road from Ziarat to Harnai district. It leads from Karwari Baba Point via Dozak Tangi. The road is unpaved but extremely stunning. It is free for camping and picnics. All you have to pay is for your grocery and gas for your vehicles. Save it in your agenda for the next year. I have traveled to all these points. You can watch my videos of these points at the end of this video. In the last many years, I have regularly visited Ziarat Valley in the winters after snowfall. This year, the valley has received the least snowfall than many recent years. This means next summers is going to be dry for the people, for the forest, and for agriculture. This is not a good news. Ziarat Valley and the villages in the Ziarat district is very famous for the apple, apricot, vegetables, cherry, and walnut. The apple from Ziarat district and the villages around it has been loved by the fans across Pakistan. However, due to the shortage of rains and snowfalls, it is not the same anymore. The fruit and vegetables are reduced in quantity and reduced in sweetness. The people in Ziarat city and in the region are friendly and respectable. They are highly hospitable and have the tradition to welcome guests. It is always important for tourists to respect the host people and their values. Loud music in the villages, for example, is not appreciated. I am sure we all know how to be kind and respectful to anyone around us. I am Haji Fakir Hussein, resident of Duki City, and a tourist since my childhood. I get the pleasure to share my travel videos with my friends on social media platforms, such as YouTube and Facebook. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do that. It will help me make more miles in tourism in Pakistan and bring you beautiful videos of the places, cultures, destinations, people, and picnic spots. Please like my video and write me a comment. I will wait for it. Share this video with your friends to plan for a picnic and camping in Ziarat next summer.
ये जो पहाड़ है शड़ी, यहाँ पे पहले रोड नहीं थे। हमारे बाप दादा नाना वगैरह इन्होंने रोड बनाने में हुकूमत की मदद की है, जिम्मेदारी की है, लेबर वर्क की है। तो ये तकरीबन से 50 से 55 साल हुए हैं यहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ आती जाती हैं। उससे पहले पहाड़ के उस तरफ और इस तरफ रास्ता नहीं था, सिर्फ लोग पैदल आते जाते थे। कि आप लोगों को मालूम है ये कबायली इलाका है। जब भी मैदानी इलाक़ों में बर्फ़ पड़ती है तो शिकारी लोग शिकार के लिए निकलते हैं और खरगोश का शिकार बहुत शौक़ से करते हैं और उसे काट के बेहतरीन शोरबा बनाते हैं। तो मैं तौलाई ख़ोरों को एक बार फिर सलाम पेश करता हूँ। दोस्तों, आज मौसम इंतहाई खुशगवार है। आप लोग भी आ जाएं इसी हफ़्ते, वरना अगले हफ्ते हवा गर्म होनी शुरू होगी तो मुश्किल से आप लोगों को बर्फ़ देखने को मिलेगी। तो बर्फ़ के लिए एक छोटा सा गाना। बर्फ़ मज़ेदार, बर्फ़ मज़ेदार, बर्फ़ मज़ेदार, बर्फ़ मज़ेदार, बर्फ़ मज़ेदार। दोस्तों, खुश रहें, आबाद रहें। तमाम दोस्तों को एक बार फिर खुश आमदीद। ज़िंदा रहो, खुश रहो। वस्सलाम, खुदा हाफ़िज़।